Hi, I'm Missy here with SmarterQueue, and today I'll be walking through how you can share your account with your team so you can create and approve content before scheduling, collaborate with others, and use your account with as many other different people as you'd like. So to log in, you'll be able to share either your SmarterQueue credentials, your email and password with anyone you'd like so they can easily log in, or you can share the login for one of your connected social profiles so they can use that to log in instead, which could be a little bit more safe, so you can give out one social login to each collaborator or user and have them log in via that method. So I'll walk through that now. On the SmarterQueue homepage, you can easily log in from the login button here. And if you're already logged into either your Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Pinterest account on your browser, you can simply click one of these buttons and you'll automatically log into your SmarterQueue account. So I'll go ahead and authorize this and we'll be redirected back to SmarterQueue logged into the correct account. So we just use Twitter to log in. Cool, so once you're inside of the account, if you'd like to create content and set it aside to be approved by a teammate or a client or a boss, anything like that before it's actually scheduled and published, this is how you can go about doing so. So I'll go ahead and start creating a post with the top left button here and select a category for my post as well as a profile. And then I'll get started composing. So I'll add in this link for an amazing recipe to blueberry muffins, the perfect fall snack. Cool, and I'll go ahead and add in an emoji as well. Using our emoji keyboard here, you can jump to the section you'd like, and then go ahead and select anything you want from the menu. Great, so we've got our preview here on the right-hand side. We've got our caption, we've got a link. The link preview has populated for this great recipe. And now I'm gonna go ahead and save this post. So instead of adding it into the queue, what I'm going to do, instead of scheduling it out, would be save it as a draft. This will allow you to save the post outside of your queue, so it's not going to be scheduled, and it'll instead be just on a draft mode so that someone else can then come in and go through all of the drafts. So I'll save that, and then let's go check out the drafts folder. So you can find the drafts folder inside of your queue up here on the left-hand side. So when I navigate there, I'll then see a list of all the different drafts that we have currently saved. And we can see the different categories. So we've got this one here for our Daily Morning Wisdom category about role models. We've got a Happy Friday post for our Instagram for the questions category. And then we've got the post we just created here about our featured articles and this recipe for amazing blueberry muffins. So if you could imagine your client or your boss or anyone who needs to come in and approve the content, perhaps it's you watching this video, you can come straight to this category here, this drafts folder, have a look at all the different posts, and then quickly approve them. So if I wanted to go ahead and approve the post that we just created and say, yep, this content is good to schedule out, I can then just go ahead and save it and take it out of the drafts folder. So instead, I'll go ahead and add this into our queue. I'll save it to the top of the queue. And when I save that, you'll see it disappear from our drafts folder, and it will now be scheduled inside of our queue, ready to go out and publish for our featured articles category. So now we can see that this post is currently scheduled for us on Wednesday, the 28th of October at 12:45 p.m. The perfect snack. We've got this post and it's ready to go, scheduled out. It's been approved, taken out of the drafts folder, and added into the queue. So there you have it. Sharing your SmarterQueue account with a team is pretty simple. You can share your login, your social login, and have anyone you'd like collaborate with you, save posts as drafts, and then once they're approved, add them into your queue.